Now it's about to disappear like now at this point what I need to do, quick full lock right. Now I need exit, left mirror, left signal. Two lanes are exiting. I can exit in the right lane. In your test, examiner is looking for if you're safe driver or not. If your mirrors check. Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I will show you different situation how you can deal with them. For example, this is a dual carriageway ahead and I'm turning left. There are multiple lanes, so I will approach to give a line. Observe now there is a van coming from the right. He's using indicator. Other car is at good distance, so I can go. And now the light is changed, so I will smoothly stop here. So what you need to be careful when you turn left like this, you always look where you're going and plan what is your next step. So after emerging, I had to deal with the pedestrian crossing, so I was paying attention and be ready to stop just in case lights change. Now next roundabout I'm going right, so I can choose right lane. Otherwise I should be in the left lane, which is normal driving lane. Now I can see 30-mile sign, so after the roundabout maybe speed change to the 30 on some roads. There are 3 exits, so one of them will be 30 or maybe 2 of them will be 30. So we are going right, 3rd exit, it's open junction. No one is coming this way, so I can enter and then quick look left mirror just in case and start counting. 1, 2. I will make U-turn and go back to dual carriageway, which is 4th exit. So this is 3rd. Now I need exit, left mirror, left signal. 2 lanes are exiting. I can exit in the right lane because I already know left lane is merging anyway because of the bus lane. So if you have local knowledge, you can use that. Now lane is merging again. Start planning, quick signal and come left. Now after this pedestrian crossing, lane will merge again to the right. First I'm looking for pedestrians if there is any and light can change or not. Now I can just follow the curve, quick look right mirror, and I will merge automatically. I don't need to steer and go right at that point where lanes are merging. If you need to change lane, you can change lane a bit early, go to the right lane and then carry on. Now a lot of things happening ahead. Junctions, lights, traffic is building up. I'm taking this second left, so I wait until I pass this first left and then I use signal. Now I am looking for pedestrians. So there is one, but it's safe to carry on. Now this one is opening the door. I will wait for him. Now quick check right mirror and carry on. Now road is safe and clear. I must go back to speed limit, which is 30 on this road. Now I can see both side parked cars. No one is coming. Quick right mirror check. Keeping good distance from the left and right side. Checking left and coming back. Again right mirror. Overtake, left mirror and come back. So mirrors check is very important. In your test, examiner is looking for if you are safe driver or not. If your mirrors checks are not good, you are not properly safe driver. So before doing any change in your driving, for example speed change or direction change, you will check mirror. Now like now we are changing speed, so I'm checking center mirror, slowing down. I'm going ahead from the roundabout. No one is coming. There's a zebra crossing on the exit. Mirror signal, and then I will look for pedestrian if there is any. Nobody is there, so we can start increasing speed after the exit. Now these type of road where you see the humps, try to keep them in middle, and you can drive around 15 to 20 miles speed depend on how big hump is. Don't be too slow and brake hard for every hump and go dead slow. If you will do that, you may be marked down in your driving test. You need to be very smooth, nice and easy. No need to rush. just to relax, enjoy the driving, be safe, be legal, and be smooth. And I'm going ahead, which is 4th exit. So now this is single lane on the approach. I have noticed some people enter and they keep left. There is no need to keep left. This is deal like a single lane. Keep right side, keep counting 2, 3, mirrors check and take exit. Now look for pedestrian, nobody is there. After pedestrian there is a mini roundabout, view is blocked, this is a closed junction. I will be ready to stop just in case. Quick look and then carry on. Now next sign I can see mini roundabout. I'm going right from this mini roundabout, 2nd exit. So this one is open junction. I can clearly see no one is coming. There is parked cars on the left side, so I will make sure before overtaking no one is coming from other side. I will have a final look, still no one is coming. I can start overtaking. That's it. Now if someone will come, I have this gap, I can pull up on the left here, or if they stop I can continue. Now I am going to do parallel parking. I will pull up on the left in this gap. Okay, so now I am gonna do parallel parking with this yellow car. So what I need to do, prepare my car, observe, make sure no one is coming from behind and front, go next to the car, keeping a door length or slightly less than door length. I will have to align my car, the back of my car and this parked car should be in one line. So preparing my car, observation, there's a car coming. Actually it's a van. I will wait for him because I am going to block the road, so I will not move. After this van, it's safe and clear. Quick blind spot check. Move nice and easy. Straight my car, straight my wheel, signal left just in case if someone come behind, they know I am reversing. Then reverse gear. I'm slightly ahead of that car. I will look this back window. When I see the edge of the car in the back window, I will stop like this. Then I will do half steer, quick observe right blind spot, start going back, and I will keep going until curb disappear from my left window. Now it's about to disappear like now. Now at this point, what I need to do, quick full lock right, keep observing, keep going back, watching my left mirror to see when my car is straight, and here we go, straight my wheel and finish. How was it? Let me show you the driver point of view. I will do it again and you will see where actually I am looking. Okay, so let's try again. Observation, going next to the car, keeping door length, reverse gear, quick check. I can't see the back of the car in that back window. I will little bit go back. Like now I can see the back light of this car, like, which means I can see the back edge of the car. So now is good time to do half steer, quick observation. Now I will keep going back, and now you can see the curb in this mirror. So once that curb disappears from this mirror, that is the correct time to full lock. Right now it's about to disappear. Like now I can do full lock right, quick observe, keep going back, keep doing observation, and it's about to straight. That's it, and then I can straight my wheel. So now you can see we are properly parked, we are not too far, and we did not hit the curb. our car is straight, we have good distance ahead. That's how you can do that.